Hi, my name is Demetra Davis, and my dream is to inspire everybody with my green art. I started doing green art back in 2006, did my second bout with cancer. To take my mind off the chemo, I started painting. So I would use like anything around the house, glass, wooden boards, old house paint. I started making paper mache masks out of vinegar jugs, cardboard. Later on, I even made a wolf mask out of the paper from a shredder. Well, by 2010, I said, well, looks like I might have something here. Let me start thinking about writing a book. And that's where the Green Art book was birthed. All kind of things from jewelry, from newspaper. These earrings, I made these from a water bottle. And I made a club chair from an old dresser. But my biggest project was the armoire, and it was very important to me. I made it from an old computer desk and some other wood. About 2012, I started having problems with my thumb, left-handed, and my thumb was hurting really bad. And turned out 2 years later, I was diagnosed with cancer again, skin cancer in my thumb, and eventually had to have half my thumb amputated. About 3 months after that surgery, I wanted to make a statement that I was not going to quit. I built the armoire. The computer desk that I would use, I would sit there a lot of times when I was suffering with my thumb, and I was in so much pain that I couldn't even move. But I used that computer desk to make the armoire. Even though I went through, even while I was beginning the book, I was going through cancer. I wasn't going to stop, and I'm not going to stop. And I just want to inspire you. You can do whatever you want to do as long as you just keep on. You'll be faced with a lot of different things. Just keep on.